Today we begin with Rupak Tal. Rupak is a tal or a rhythmic metrical cycle consisting of 7 beats. Now you have learnt Trital, and can you tell me how many beats there are in Trital?
16 beats.
Right, 16 beats. And how many accents or talis did we have?
3 talis.
Right. And there was one beat with a negative accent, a khali. How many did we have?
1.
Right. In fact, I told you. Well, Rupak has 1 khali and 2 talis. And one unique feature about Rupak Tal is that the sum is at the khali. Before we go on learning how to recite or to dance in Rupak, let us first hear the Nagma of the Tal and also the beats played on the tabla so that we can identify the Tal when we hear it. So I would request our friends to play the Nagma and the tabla. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tin, tin, na, din, na, din, na, tin, tin, na, din, na, din, na, tin, tin, na, din, na, din, na, tin, tin, na, din, na, din, na. Now, every tal has a nature and a character of its own. Now, Trital is a very versatile tal. It can be performed at a very slow tempo and even at a very fast tempo. In fact, Trital sounds wonderful in any tempo that you perform it in. Again, Trital being so versatile, it can be used to perform vigorous items and again very delicate items. But Rupak is a tal which is very delicate by nature. As it is, there are 7 beats and then it begins at the khali, and so very vigorous items are not often performed in Rupak because it does not match with the nature of the tal. We will also learn the basic footwork with Rupak. It is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left. Would you like to do it? We would ask our friends to play. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Now, as is the nature of the tal, you can, while doing the footwork, have that sort of light, sprightly feeling within you. So it's like tin, tin, tin. So you have to enjoy the tal, right? So let's begin. Tin, tin, na, tin, na, tin. din, din, na, din. So this is the basic padhant and the basic footwork of Rupak. Now, as we were performing in Trital, that we begin at a sum and then after covering one or more than one cycle or avartan of the tal, we complete whatever we are doing, whether it is an amad or a tihai or tatkar, again at the sum. Now, our syllabus for Bachelor of Performing Arts, second year, paper 4 practical, tells us that we have to learn 3 tukras, 2 parans and a toda in Rupak. Now you might say that after all, is dance just pure mathematics? You start at a sum and then you complete the item at another sum, and so you just have to calculate how many beats, and like you can say that okay, 7 plus 1 is 8, so again 14 plus 1 is 15, so the sum we have to calculate say 14 beats and match the rhythm and then come to the sum. Now well, that is one way of looking at it, but another is, as I said, that you remember the nature of the tal and you try to match your items with the nature of the tal. You might say, well, why will you say that Rupak is a delicate tal? Well, if you hear it, it gives you that feeling, right? I mean, like, tin, tin, na, dhin, na, dhin, na. It's like a child playing, you know, I mean, like, it's very soft, delicate, and, you know, you won't use this if you're going to perform some item which is showing a lot of vigor, like if you're going to war or if you're riding on a horseback, you won't use this tal. And Rupak is also used for a number of songs like bhajans, thumris. In fact, in this year, in paper 5, when we're doing Abhinay, we have a bhajan and that will also be in Rupak tal. Now, before beginning any tal, I mean dancing in any tal, we have to first establish the nature of the tal and the beats, because when you're doing trital, the audience is concentrating on the 16 beats of the tal. If you want to change the tal, you have to establish the new tal. And how do you establish the tal? Because when you're doing parans or tukras or even thar, then people are concentrating more on the movements than on the sound. So we first do footwork and establish the tal. We do footwork first in the basic or the thale, then in dun, then in chogun, as we did in trital. Then we do a few tihais. So by that time, the audience is geared to the nuances of the new tal, and then you start performing the tukras, paran, chakradar, toras, I mean, whatever you want to perform. So we will begin with footwork to establish the tal. First in single, laya. Din, din, na, din, na, din, na. Din, din, na, din, na, din, na, din, din. Double. Din, din, na, din, na, din. Din, din, na, din, na, din, na. Din, din, na, din, na, din, na. Din, din, na, din, na, din. Din, din, na, din, na, din. Din, din, na, din, din. Din, din, na, din, na, din, na. Good. Now, when we are doing it at quadruple tempo or chogun lay, we change the footwork slightly, because this footwork can hamper the speed. It's not very comfortable or convenient at a higher speed. So it's tin 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 na tin na tin na tin tin na tin na tin na. And to make our feet feel more comfortable, we can do it with both feet. So tin tin na tin na tin na tin tin na tin na. So can we do it in single, double and quadruple tempos? Start. Good. I had told you that we will establish the tal by doing a few variations in footwork. Now, the easiest variation of takita takadimi will be takita takadimi. So, it's being done twice and we will use both feet. Takita takadimi takita takadimi. Would you like to give it a try? Come. Now, I'm just amazed at the fact and very happy also that now you are gradually getting into the spirit of the dance. You use your eyes even when I don't give you particular instructions. Like from your previous instructions, now you can use your eyes and match it with the rhythm. Now we have two rhythmic variations in the fast tempo. One is takita takadimi takita takadimi takita takadimi takita takadimi, and the other is takita takita takadimi takadimi takita takita takadimi takadimi. Now we can form a pattern in this way. First, just plain takita takadimi takita takadimi takita takadimi takita takadimi. Then combination takita takadimi takita takadimi takita takita takadimi takadimi. Then again takita takita takadimi takadimi takita takita takadimi takadimi. So can you do it? Can you do the entire pattern? Okay, come. I'm so happy. And now we will do it from the beginning. First, footwork of Rupak in the single tempo, then double tempo, then quadruple with the variations. So, will you perform it for me while I sit down and relax?
Yes.
So, come. have learned these variations in Rupak Tal. In the next part, we will learn a few tihais which you will perform after this basic variation, and then you will have completed the aura of the Tal. In the last part, we had learned basic footwork in Rupak Tal, and I had told you that we will learn a few tihais which you will combine with the footwork as an introduction to the Tal. Now you remember that the last variation in footwork was takita dhekite takadimi takadimi. So we will start from takita dhekite takadimi takadimi, recite it for 2 cycles of Rupak, and then we will begin the Tehai. There are several Tehais which you will learn, and they will start at different points of the Tal. One will start halfway, one will start maybe a quarter after the Tal, and then you will see that the last 2 or maybe even the last 3 will start from the sum, and all the tehais will be of varying lengths. So let's start. Din din na din na din na, takita takita takadimi takadimi takita takita takadimi takadimi takita takita takadimi takadimi takita takita takadimi takita takita takadimi takadimi tati da a tati da a tati da. Once more. Takita takita takadimi takadimi takita takita takadimi takadimi takita takita takadimi takadimi takita takita takadimi takita takita takadimi takadimi tati da a tati da a tati da. So this is a tehai which starts halfway. Okay? So takita takita takadimi takadimi dhati dha a dhati dha a dhati dha. The next one starts after takita dhekite. So let's start. Na din 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 na din na din na, takita takita takadimi takadimi takita takita takadimi takadimi takita takita takadimi takadimi takita takita takadimi takadimi takita takita takata dhati dha takata dhati dha takata dha. Takita takita takadimi takadimi takita takita takadimi takadimi takita takita takadimi takadimi takita takita takadimi takita takita takata dhati dha takata dhati dha takata dhati dha. Next one starts from the sum. So you will recite takita dhekite takadimi takadimi 4 times, and then we will have the tehai. Na di na di na, takita takita takadimi takadimi takita takita takadimi takadimi takita takita takadimi takadimi takita takita takadimi takadimi dati da dati da dati da dati da dati da dati da. Very good. Again we have another one which starts from the sum. But this tehai is different in the sense that it comes almost up to the end of the Tal, finishes just before the Tal is completed or the cycle of the Tal is completed. The second palla starts half a beat after the sum and ends almost at the end of the 7th beat. Then the final palla starts from the 2nd beat and ends at the sum. Takadimi 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 taka taki to take it taka taka taki to take it ta. Taki to take it taka taki to take it taka taka taki to take it ta. Taki to take it taka taki to take it taka taka taki to take it ta. And now we will have a longer tihai, which will cover, one palla will cover one avartan plus a little more. So the entire tihai will actually cover 4 avartans and then come to the sum. Good. Now we will learn the footwork and then you will have the entire series with the footwork and the tihai. And this will be the introduction to Rupak Tal. So let's learn the footwork of these tihais. Now you know takita dhekite takadimi takadimi. So the first one is dhati dha, dhati dha, dhati dha. Right, left, right, left, right. Okay. So would you like to do this? Good. Second is taka taka dhati dha. Taka 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 dhati dha. Taka taka dhati dha, taka taka dhati dha, taka taka dhati dha. And remember, it will begin just after takita dhekite. So at sum, we have takita dhekite and that taka taka dhati dha, taka taka dhati dha, taka taka dhati dha. So let's do this sequence. Good. Now the third one starts from the sum and it is dhati dha, dhati dha, dhati dha, dhati dha, dhati dha, dhati dha. You know all the footwork. Right, left, right, right, left, right. So 4 times. Takita dhekite takadimi takadimi. Then from the sum we begin this. Good. Next is takita dhekite, taka takita dhekite, taka taka takita dhekite, dha 1 2. So you know the footwork. Takita dhekite 1 2 3 1 2 3. Taka takita dhekite 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3. Taka taka takita dhekite. Okay. So it's takita dhekite, taka takita dhekite, taka taka takita dhekite, dha 1 2, takita dhekite, taka taka. And naturally you begin with 4 repetitions of takita dhekite, takadimi takadimi. the last one is almost like the fourth one, but instead of 1 takita dhekite, it is 3 takita dhekite. So takita dhekite, takita dhekite, takita dhekite, da, and there is no gap. So takita dhekite, taka takita dhekite, taka taka takita dhekite, takita dhekite, takita dhekite, da takita dhekite, and a bedam tehai, and you know how to perform it. Come, let's start. Very good. So now you know 5 tehais, and they are all short and sweet like Tal Rupak itself. In the next lesson, we will revise the footwork starting with the single tempo, then double, quadruple with all its variations, and then the tehais. And after that, we will go on to the tukras, parans, and chakradar toras. So I wish you all the best. I hope you are enjoying Rupak, and as you notice that Trital has a grandeur and gravity of its own, and Rupak is a sweet, lovable tal, right? So all the best to you. Good dancing, good practicing. Namaste.